If Blender is showing a no module named Addon error, don't worry, this is usually a Python path issue and it's very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to install the missing module into Blender's own Python environment so your add-on can load properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender fixes and software tips. First, it's important to understand that Blender does not use your system Python for add-ons. Blender comes with its own built-in Python, and that means if you install a module somewhere else on your computer, Blender may not detect it at all. So the fix is to install the module directly inside Blender's Python folder. To do that, open the Blender installation directory, then go into the Python folder, then bin. Inside that folder, you should find python.exe. Now open command prompt in that exact folder. Once CMD is open, type the command to install your module through Blender's Python. The command is blender /python/bin. bin/python.exe-mp pipe install module _name. Make sure you replace module _name with the actual package your add-on needs. For example, if your add-on requires a specific dependency, install that exact name here. After the installation finishes, restart Blender completely. This step is important because Blender needs to reload the Python environment and detect the newly installed module. If the add-on still does not work, the issue may be that pip is missing from Blender's Python setup. In that case, stay in the Blender Python folder and run the following command first. python-m Ensurepip. This installs pip into Blender's Python if it is not already available. Then run python-mpip install --upgrade pip to make sure pip is updated to the latest version. After that, run the module install command again. Once the package is installed, restart Blender one more time and test the add-on again. In most cases, that solves the no module named error immediately. The key thing to remember is that external Python installs on your system will not be detected by Blender unless they are installed into Blender's own Python environment. So if you ever see a missing module error in Blender, always check whether the add-on dependency was installed in the correct Python folder. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials, add-on fixes, and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.